This is misal, the most preferred breakfast in Konkan, Maharashtra. We all love this and we really like to enjoy all the time in breakfast. So to make this misal, whatever mise en place we need, they are all here. Please have a look. Green peas, chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, oil, fresh coriander leaves, Bombay mix just for garnish, fresh green chilies, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, cumin powder, curry leaves, and coriander powder. So these are the ingredients we need to make misal. Green peas is been soaked overnight. Now I'm cooking with water and salt. As soon as our pot is hot, we need to add oil, and when the oil is hot, add chopped onion and curry leaves. Cook until it's golden brown. Add green chili. Add fresh coriander leaves. Chopped tomatoes to go in now. Cook until it's soft enough.
Chili powder.
Add masala powder now, chili powder, coriander, turmeric. All this masala and cook until you get a nice, beautiful color. So I'm using this masher to mash this. Now we're gonna add cooked green peas. Green peas is already cooked, won't take too long to cook. The masala is ready as well. It's take about 10 minutes, and add little bit hot water, not too much. It's take about 10 minutes to cook, and our food will be ready quick. There you go. Our misal is ready to serve. I'm also using puri. This is known as puri, a deep fried bread. I'm going to garnish with chopped onion, chopped coriander, Bombay mix, and some chilies. You can also squeeze some lemon. So I'm dishing with two different kind of bowls. So let me know in the comment section which one you prefer, the white one or the black one. Let's try with puri. If you like the video, please do share with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.